Alright, guys, we got a tornado.
Evan, shut up.
What?
A funnel, man. A funnel.
I won't.
I don't know if
Get a
y'all
picture of it, Sam?
I don't know if y'all can see that, but there's a funnel.
Yeah.
In the state of Texas. Wow, holy crap. That's what I was saying. What was that?
That's a fucking funnel. Holy shit. Holy shit.
There's no wind or anything, is there?
It hasn't touched the ground yet.
Let's just hope it doesn't.
There was one in Quintana when it was storming.
God.
Dang, holy crap. I don't know if y'all can see that. Holy crap. Once we park, guys, we're at the beach right now, so once we park, I'll show y'all the funnel.
Okay.
It's huge. Gigantic.
Well, don't turn yet. I'm trying to get a picture of the tornado.
If I do not answer my phone, it is
Get up there.
Shut up, Mercedes.
I want to take a picture.
You see where I'm at?
That big shop right there.
And I'm right here in the turning lane.
I don't know where it's at now. Turn up my brightness for y'all guys.
Is it going to hit, you think?
Let's just hope it doesn't, because if it hits, it'll destroy everything. This is a gigantic tornado right now, dude. I'm actually shaking from it. Shoot. I told you, Mom, I wasn't kidding. I said I saw something. Now, I had a dream yesterday like crazy. I thought, like, it's shocking. It looks like it's about to start landing.
But, like I said, no, I did not mean to do what I did, okay?
It looks like the...
Really did not.
I don't know if y'all can see it, though, guys. We're pretty up close up to it.
That was I really did not know that.
Once we park, I said I'll show y'all guys. I'm not gonna lie. It's the tornado.
I was in my nice way. That's why we're just the way that I was panicking.
I'm actually shaking
I was
from it.
being mean. I really wasn't being mean.
Did Dad used to chase these? Holy crap.
But like
Our phones turned off. Evan, is your phone off?
No, it's on.
Mine's off. Try to call Chelsea then.
Alright, give me 1 minute. Taking a video here.
Evan, try to call them so I know where they're